Space is full of mysteries, but some objects are so extreme, so impossibly powerful, that they reshape everything we thought we knew about the universe. Today, we journey toward one of them, a monster hidden 18 billion light-years away, an ancient titan born in a universe still young, a black hole so massive, even the laws of physics seem to hesitate around it. Its name is TON 618, a cosmic behemoth, 66 billion times the mass of the Sun, one of the largest black holes ever discovered, a lighthouse from the ancient universe, shining with the power of 140 trillion suns. The story of TON 618 begins not with a telescope, but with a mistake. In 1957, astronomers in Mexico were mapping distant blue stars using radio signals. TON 618 sat quietly among them, its blue glow mistaken for a harmless star. Its light traveled more than 10 billion years to reach Earth, light older than our Sun, older than Earth itself. No one knew that this gentle dot in the sky was a quasar, a cosmic beacon powered by a supermassive black hole consuming matter faster than almost anything else in the universe. Decades later, when researchers finally re-examined the object, something didn't make sense. TON 618 was too bright, too large, too distant. The energy output was absurd. It was as if a trillion stars were somehow burning in the same place. And then the realization hit. This was not a star at all. This was a cosmic engine running at full fury, wrapped around a black hole with a mass more than 66 billion suns. A number so extreme that it shattered the limits of what scientists thought black holes could be. From this moment on, TON 618 became one of astronomy's most haunting mysteries. How could something so massive exist so early in the universe? How could a black hole grow so fast, faster than theories allowed? And what does TON 618 reveal about the hidden, violent nature of the cosmos? This is where our journey begins. Long before TON 618 appeared in any telescope on Earth, it was already ancient. When its light began traveling through intergalactic space, Earth did not exist. The Milky Way had not yet assembled into the graceful spiral we know today. The universe was still young, still chaotic, still forming its first giants. In that early era, galaxies crashed into one another constantly. Clouds of hydrogen swirled and collapsed into blazing new stars. And somewhere inside that cosmic turbulence, in a region of space now lost to time, the seed of TON 618 was born. But TON 618 was not like the black holes we understand today. No small star collapsed to form it. Its size was too great, its growth too rapid. It was as if the universe itself, still hot, dense, and wild from the aftermath of the Big Bang, had allowed TON 618 to emerge from a direct collapse of primordial gas. No explosion, no supernova, just a massive, silent implosion that created a black hole already enormous from birth. Once formed, TON 618 became a predator. Matter spiraled toward it in colossal rivers of gas, glowing hotter than the surface of any star. As the black hole fed, an accretion disk formed around it, a spinning maelstrom of gas moving so fast that it heated to millions of degrees. It emitted light so fierce that even after traveling 10 billion years, that light still outshines the entire Milky Way today. This was the moment TON 618 switched on as a quasar, a beacon visible across the universe. It became one of the brightest objects ever detected, a lighthouse powered by destruction. And as TON 618 fed, it grew, and kept growing, until it reached a size that defies the limits of black hole physics as we know them. Every black hole has a story, but TON 618 rewrites the rules. When astronomers measured its mass, 66 billion suns, they were forced to confront a troubling question. How do you create a creature this big? Black holes grow through consumption. They merge with other black holes. They devour stars. They swallow clouds of gas and dust. But at the speed the universe expands, there shouldn't have been enough time for TON 618 to reach its monstrous size. If TON 618 started small, its growth rate would need to be impossible. It would need to consume matter faster than the laws of physics allow. Even the Eddington limit, the cosmic speed limit for black hole feeding, could not explain it. This left scientists with a chilling possibility. TON 618 may have been born massive, born different, born from conditions that existed only in the violent infancy of the universe. A direct collapse black hole, a theoretical phenomenon where entire clouds the size of galaxies collapse under their own gravity, forming a black hole in one instant. In other words, TON 618 may not have grown into a monster. It may have started as one, and that idea changed everything. It meant the early universe was far more violent than we imagined. It meant the cosmos was capable of creating giants long before galaxies matured. It meant that TON 618 was not an anomaly, just a glimpse into a darker, deeper cosmic past. To understand TON 618, we must look at the light it emits, light that has traveled through space for 10.4 billion years. When scientists analyze this light through a spectrograph, they see something astonishing. A pattern that reveals the gas around the black hole is moving at thousands of kilometers per second. This speed is so extreme that it distorts the light itself, stretching and bending it into signatures that scientists can decode. And inside those signatures lies the truth. TON 618 is one of the brightest quasars in the observable universe. Its luminosity is equivalent to 140 trillion suns. If TON 618 were placed at the center of the Milky Way, it would vaporize Earth from sheer radiant power long before gravity ever reached us. The night sky would glow as if filled with a second sun, one that never sets, one that consumes instead of warms. Yet even at this distance, TON 618 shapes the universe around it. Its jets, which blast out from its poles at nearly the speed of light, pierce through interstellar space like cosmic lasers. These jets heat surrounding gas, prevent star formation, and carve out enormous cavities in the fabric of its galaxy. TON 618 is not just a black hole. It is an architect, a cosmic force that sculpts, destroys, and reshapes everything around it. The abyss inside TON 618 is something we cannot comprehend. If we could replace our sun with TON 618, its event horizon would stretch far beyond the orbit of Pluto. Its gravitational well would distort time itself, slowing it nearly to a stop for anything unlucky enough to wander too close. Inside this gravitational prison, nothing escapes. Not matter, not radiation, not even time as we understand it. The singularity at its core is where the known laws of physics break apart, where matter is crushed into a point of infinite density, where space curves into a shape we cannot visualize. If a traveler approached TON 618, their final moments would be unrecognizable. Light around them would distort. Colors would stretch and flatten. The black hole would swell in their vision until it consumed the sky. And then silence. No signal would return. No message could escape. No story could be told from within. Yet from the outside, TON 618 speaks loudly. Its voice is light, violent, ancient, unstoppable. And through that light, we can study a monster we will never reach. Even with all our knowledge, TON 618 remains mostly unknowable. We can measure its mass. We can observe its light. But its origins, its true nature, and its impossible growth remain open questions. Did it form before galaxies? Was it once part of a universe older than ours? Could black holes like TON 618 be seeds of future universes? Could they survive cosmic death? These are not just philosophical questions, they are scientific ones. TON 618 forces us to rethink the structure of the cosmos. It challenges us to expand our understanding of time, gravity, and the very nature of creation itself. And perhaps the greatest mystery of all is this. If TON 618 exists, what else is out there? How many giants are still hidden behind the darkness? How many cosmic behemoths exist beyond the reach of our telescopes, waiting for their light to finally reach us billions of years from now? The universe is vast, but TON 618 reminds us that it is also stranger, darker, and more powerful than we have ever imagined. TON 618 is more than a supermassive black hole. It is a monument to the universe's ability to create something beyond comprehension. It teaches us humility. It teaches us curiosity. And it reminds us that no matter how advanced our technology becomes, the cosmos will always hold mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As we continue to evolve, scientifically, intellectually, technologically, black holes like TON 618 will be our greatest teachers. Not because they are easy to understand, but because they challenge everything we think we know. The story of TON 618 is not finished. It is just beginning. And somewhere 10 billion light years away, the brightest quasar we've ever found continues to shine. Not for us, not for any purpose, but because that is what cosmic titans do. They exist. They dominate. They define the universe around them. And they wait for us to understand.